Urinary system. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn the parts and function of urinary system. This system filters our blood, removing waste, excess water. This waste become urine. Look at this. This is a model of our urinary system. The organs of urinary system includes left and right kidneys, a blood filter organ, two ureter, duct that connect from kidney to bladder, organs hold urine, urethra, tube connects to bladder that allow urine to leave the body. Let's see how this urinary system works. For example, this colored water ay the blood came from our body. When it passes through to the kidneys, the blood altered to remove. Ureters carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. Urine until it's ready to exit it. Once it reaches significant amount, the urine will leave to the body through urethra. Hope you learn more about urinary system. I am Robin A. Atim, saying protecting your urinary system as important for maintaining overall health. Bye-bye!